Today's video, I'll be changing the power settings on my Asus Prime B760-Plus motherboard. And I read this article on WCCF Tech about how to change your power settings to baseline power settings. So these are the power settings that are available from Intel. So this is a power setting for the standard configuration. There's about two of them. There are two Intel Extreme configurations as well. So this is the standard configuration. This is what I got after I actually this is what I got after I updated my BIOS to 1661, I think. Let me see. You see what I updated my BIOS to recently. The manufacturer suggested that I update my BIOS due to the issues that 13th and 14th generation Intel CPUs are currently having with voltage, over voltage. This is a BIOS that I recently updated to for my motherboard. And this is what I got for the standard configuration after I updated my BIOS. But I want to change it to the baseline profile instead of just standard Intel. I think that is aggressive. I think that is still pretty high, so I want to change it to this instead. So this is PL1. Power limit 1 is set at 125 watt. Power limit 2, that's a short duration power, is 188 watt. And the amperage is 249 amps. So basically, what an amp is a current. So in order to get power output in watts, the formula is power equals amps times the voltage. So the voltage is, I think, 1.254 volts times the amperage. So the maximum is going to be 310 watt. I think they have something called PL5, PL3 settings or something like that. Let me see. Check that one. Here's the Intel power profiles for PL1, for baseline for PL1. It's 125 watt. For PL2, it's 188 watt. PL3 is 293 watt. ICC max is 249 amps. And the one that I had before I updated my BIOS was this one right here. It was 400 amps. And after I upgraded my BIOS, updated it, this is what I got. So PL4 is 380 watts, which is pretty high, I think. I think this is what I want. This is what I set it to, actually, and I'll show you how you can set it to that as well. I'll put the links for these articles in the video descriptions below so you can read it for yourself. I'm going to change it to that. So this shows people that own i9 13th and 14th generation CPUs to set it to i7 settings, basically. So these are i7 settings, actually. These are not i9 settings. So for me, I don't really care about getting the best performance. That's not really something I care about. I just care about having the baseline profile so my CPU lasts longer. So this computer that I'm using right now, I got it 2 months ago, around May. So this is not very old, and I didn't really use this that much. So whatever problems that they were having with this overvoltage thing, I don't think my CPU was really affected that badly because I didn't really use it that much. But when I was using it to run some games, it was crashing a lot. After I changed the baseline power settings, I've been having less problems, actually, almost no problems. So now I'm going to restart the computer, and I will basically show you how to change these settings. Okay, I'm going to restart the computer and press F2 to go into the BIOS. F2, okay, so I should be going to the BIOS. The core CPU core voltage is 1.275 volt after I updated my BIOS, and let's go to advanced. Let's go to AI tweaker. We need to go to internal CPU power management. And as you can see, I changed the settings to baseline power settings. So you just go here for CPU core cache current max limit. So I put it to 249. Already before it was let me check what it was. I said it was 307 amps. I changed it to 249. This is long duration power package limit. That's PL1. I changed it to 125. And PL2, this is a short duration package power limit. I set that to 188. Everything else I did not touch. That's all I changed. Just go to exit and save changes and reset, and that's basically it. And you should be able to have baseline power settings. That's what I want to share with you, and if you have any thoughts and questions, you could leave it in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.